Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a certified health coach and I help women look great and feel great through fasting and also nutrition. In today's video, I am going to give you an intermittent fasting with keto meal plan. I'm going to go quickly over the benefits of using the keto diet with intermittent fasting. And then I'm going to explain how you can use my meal plan. It's a 7-day meal plan, so I'm going to give you all the details. I'm going to explain how you can use it and how you can modify it to suit your needs. As you may know already, I don't typically recommend that women use both intermittent fasting and the keto diet long term. However, there are many benefits to using it on a short-term basis. One of the main benefits is that the keto diet is going to make your fasting easier. A lot of people, when they get started with intermittent fasting, are very carb dependent and they find it very difficult to go longer than 3 hours without eating. And so the keto diet will allow you to start using ketones for fuel, so your body will stop being so dependent on glucose as a source of energy, and you will find that you can go longer without food and your appetite will decrease. You will have fewer cravings, so that will definitely help with your fasting. Also, because of all that, you will find that you'll lose weight faster. I was able to achieve my weight loss goal simply by using a combination of modified fasting and intermittent fasting without using the keto diet. That being said, it took me a long time, a very long time. And if you want to lose weight faster, well, the keto diet will help. That's for sure. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of my 7-day intermittent fasting with the keto diet meal plan. But I will also give you a link in the description where you can download the PDF version, because I'm not going to give you all the recipes in the video and go into all the details of the macros and the calories. You can receive all this information by simply downloading my free PDF. I will, however, give you a few general guidelines that will help you understand how you can create your own meal plan. And I will also give you a brief overview of the meals that are included in my meal plan. So when you create a keto meal plan, well, you got to look at how many carbs are in your food. That is kind of obvious. But I also like to look at the number of calories. So I know that many meal plans out there don't worry about counting calories or anything like that. But calories do matter, and I believe that people lose weight on the keto diet simply because their appetite decreases, and so they have fewer cravings and they tend to eat less. You do not have to count calories. You can just give it a try without worrying about that, and that's fine. See what happens. It's up to you. But I have included this information as a guideline. I have in my meal plan, most days have about 14 to 1700 calories, and so to determine how many calories you need, you can always look at a calorie calculator online, and then you could modify my meal plan by adding some snacks if you need to. You could choose snacks like hard-boiled eggs, keto veggies and dip, a handful of nuts, cold cuts and cheese, avocado, olives. The image that you're seeing right now is from the Diet Doctor website, and that's also a great website that you can use for more snack and meal ideas. So when you eat keto, you need to center most of your meals around a clean source of protein like poultry, fish, grass-fed ground beef, lamb, goat, chicken, turkey. There are lots of good options to choose from. And then you're going to make sure you have plenty of healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, ghee, avocado, olives, and then you're going to use some low-carb veggies as a side to your meal. I used MyFitnessPal to calculate the macros on my meal plan. MyFitnessPal is very user-friendly. I love it. Sometimes it's not always the most accurate. You have to be careful and check carefully. Another popular option is Chronometer, so you might want to check both and see which one you prefer. Another thing that you will notice in my meal plan is that I put coconut milk in my coffee, And a lot of people who do intermittent fasting have a bulletproof coffee in the morning. Technically, a lot of fasting experts would say that this breaks your fast because any calorie consumption will break your fast. However, I have tested it for myself. I have tested my blood glucose before and after my coffee. It is exactly the same. And so I believe that having a fatty coffee in the morning for most people will not reduce the benefits of your fast. The main benefit that you get from fasting is that your body does not need to produce more insulin, and that helps you become more insulin sensitive. So if your blood glucose does not change after your coffee, well, you're good to go. But if you want to be on the safe side, well, just have your coffee black. Okay, so let's get started with the meal plan. I'm going to give you the brief overview, as I said. As you will see in the PDF, every single morning I start with my coffee and I put about a quarter cup of full fat coconut milk in it. So that won't change. And then for lunch, I have 2 different salad recipes included in the downloadable PDF. You can always diversify your meal plan a bit if you want. I find it very convenient to have only these 2 meals for lunch. You can make a big salad one day, then have the leftover for the next day. So that really simplifies your meal planning. The first lunch salad I called healthy fat rich salad. And it includes all kinds of healthy fats like goat cheese, avocado, hemp hearts, olive oil, and olives. It's a very satisfying and rich salad. It's also pretty high in calories. On day 1 for dinner, I have breaded chicken breast with a dinner salad. On day 2, dinner is a ground beef stir fry. On day 3, steak salmon with avocado. And then on day 4, you have the antipasto lunch salad. It has fewer calories than the first salad. You could always add more fats and more olives or goat cheese to it if you wanted to increase the number of calories. But since many of you will be wanting to lose weight on this plan, I thought it'd be interesting to see what happens when you consume fewer calories a few days during the week. For dinner, you'll be having a leftover from the meal that you had yesterday, which was the salmon with avocado. And then on day 5, you'll be having ground turkey with rice cauliflower for dinner. On day 6, you'll be having roast chicken with broccoli and feta cheese. On day 7, you will be having your healthy fat rich salad for lunch and your keto fried chicken with sauerkraut for dinner. So that's it for the intermittent fasting with the keto diet meal plan. Eating keto does not have to be time consuming. It does not have to be complicated. I think you will really love my meal plan because it's super easy. All the recipes can be done within 15 minutes. I am a busy mom with 6 children at home, so I don't have time to spend an hour making my own dinner and then have to cook something else for everybody else. So I made sure that all the meals were very easy to prepare and also family friendly. So if you have a family, you can just use whatever you're eating and make more for the rest of the family and also modify it a little bit for the rest of the family. For example, you could add a side of rice, you could make potatoes and other carbs for your children. And I will stretch your meal and make it super simple for you. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to check the description for all the links that you need and for the downloadable PDF file of this easy intermittent fasting with the keto diet meal plan. Thanks for watching. See you next week.